receive, my lord, we need to go through, my lord. Can it be some other day, my lord?
Then why it has been brought in supplementary list?
Those were respondent, my lord. They have mentioned it, my lord. Since we have interim, my lord, we have taken
But
time only
now
once, my
whether
lord.
you inform the other side.
Yes, we have informed him.
So you are for the respondent.
Yes, madam. No, we are for
No,
the
you are for
petitioner,
the
madam.
petitioner.
Petitioner, madam. Sorry, madam. Since we have an interim, my lord, so they have mentioned it. On the last occasion only, we have taken time, my lord. Since the TCR has been received, my lord, so I have informed him through phone, my lord.
Mr. H. Chaudhary, the learned counsel for the petition. It is submitted with the consent of the associate with one with some personal inconvenience. Not in a position to proceed with it. They are around. Next matter. You want here?
They want before vacation, my lord. So can be on 9th, my lord.
9 holiday.
Yeah, then 10th, my lord, 10th.
10 is holiday. Oh, 10 is
10 is Friday, my
okay.
lord.
Yes, 10.
My lord. Of less, madam. Another item number 24, my lord.
Your interim is there, na?
Yes, interim order is there, my lord.
Interim
In 39, my lord.
Item number?
Other item 24, my lord.
24 my lord, yes, I received.
Can be some other day, my lord. We have some difficulties today, my lord. Lagi isa ka?
CD received.
The request made by the copy of the petition matter is that by the subject matter. The CD has already been received. Can you
Can
retain?
it be 7th, my lord?
Can it be retained?
7th, my lord, too long, my lord. On 1st of April.
We have appeared, my lord. So
1st of April?
my lord. Of less. That is the interim order, my lord.
CDP returns linked. Okay, interim be continued till length.
Of less.
If I briefly mention item number 11, this method CD was called for but not received.
Yes, Port Harcourt CD not received in
Yes,
item number
CD not
11.
received, my lord.
Not received. Where from it has to come?
There you go.
There you go.
There come.
There.
Yes, Port Harcourt, when it can fix. CD not received, this reminder.
Welcome. 30.
30. 30.
Much of that.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, in item number 3, we have
Item
filed
number?
item number 3.
Yes.
We have filed an additional affidavit, lordship, stating some emergency ground that may be called for, lordship, be taken up together with the matter.
Together means?
That may be together with the additional affidavit. That may be called for, lordship.
Okay.
May please your lordship, the item number 13, lordship. Adjourned for day, lordship.
30.
13.
Yes, 30. What is the
133.
position? Oh, sorry, 131.
13, my lord, CD
Not received?
not received.
Lordship, on 25th, lordship, March.
CD not received. Issue reminder. 25th, I don't know. 25th. Come, it has to come from which place?
Yes, sir.
Tejpur. 1 month.
Fix. I will try, but my lord, 31 or 31.
30, 31 will do.
Lordship.
31, you are saying?
Lordship.
31.
Give to.
May please, Lordship. I beg to mention item number, your Lordship's 12. The regular bail application, your Lordship's, as per government side information, CD is not available.
Item number
1, 2, 12. The regular bail application, now today 33 days behind the bars. Short date may be given, Hazopias, 23, can it possible? Hazo, your Lordship. That is why. Proceed. 20, 23, 25.
25.
Obliged.
Your lordship,
Fine.
item number 34.
Not received.
Item number 34, Mr. K.B. Patel has some personal difficulties, so the case may be listed after 2 weeks.
You are for the respondent amicus.
No, for the complainant, yeah.
No, you in
For the
which
com-
item? 24 or 30?
34. 34.
34 is a criminal appeal. You are
And
appealing
amicus
for
curiae.
Mr. KP Pathak.
KP Pathak.
So you are for the respondent.
Yeah, yes,
Have you informed the other side?
yes,
Appellant side?
yes, Lordship.
No, no. Have you taken consent? Have you informed?
We have taken consent.
And it council, Mr. KP Pathak, done in amicus for the respondent. And I join it. It's on it. Second of April.
May I please vote? Sir, I'd like to mention item number 21 from Delhi list matter. CD was called for
21.
today, CD. CD not received.
Are you on interim? No.
Yes, yes, madam.
You are interim. Which is the office notice? What is office note?
City, my lord,
No, no, office note.
22nd of April.
What is the office note?
Office note, my lord. Why office note? is
If
there?
not,
There is interim is there.
additional affidavit of pencil.
Probably petitioner was directed to. file.
You have already filed one additional affidavit.
No, my lord, today itself we will file.
I said, Acha, acha. You are not, you have
No,
not
no,
filed.
no, ma'am.
Acha.
We'll file today, madam.
So there, Mr. Munir is also there for the informant.
My lord,
Yes.
is present.
She did not receive its reminder. In the meantime, it is also submitted by the Learned Council appealing for the petitioner that they are going to file an additional today. Issue reminder police, no? Is the matter when is 22nd of April, interim be continued till next day.
May it please your lordship, my lords, I beg to mention item number 9, the consent of the other side. I seek an adjournment since my senior is out of station.
Who is your senior?
Mr. R.J. Das for the petitioner. my lords.
But then it comes to appealing on behalf of Mr. R.J. Das. Also for the petition, manager deciding that due to some personal inconvenience. They are around. This. You want any fixed date or after 2
2
weeks?
weeks, 2
After
weeks, 2
After
weeks.
2 weeks. As an individual. Okay, after 2.
May it please your lordship. With the consent of the other side, I beg to mention item number 35, lords.
Item number?
35.
Lordship, I appeal for the appellant.
Yep,
I may-
adjournment slip to yesterday only.
Yes,
yesterday.
yes, lords.
Okay, then.
I'm only praying for a fixed date. Need date after the hearing.
Consent, yeah, that's it. They are calling for manager. They are allowed. No, you're for the respondent, I think.
Yes, lordship.
For the respondent. You want to fix it
Yes, Lord. I hear you.
The view.
after view.
Right.
W. May I please, your lordship, I would like to mention item 22.
Huh?
Item 22.
Item 22.
Extend this matter for the day. And the interim may be.
Yes, what is
may
the item
continue.
22? Are they interim?
Interim is there.
Interim may be continued.
City not received. Issue reminder. Yes, after view can be
Yes, on 23rd of April.
23rd of April. Interim be continued till next. We continue your interim.
Right.
Mr. Lordship, I beg to mention, for listing or for motion, AB.
Make a mention before port number 8. Hey, hey. What happens if before listing works? You might see. People. Like we're taking back. মানে মই প্ৰাইস লিষ্টৰ পৰা Prohibitions, কিবা থাকি যায় বেলেগ কথা এইটো prohibitions এনে দি থাকে এখন কমাই দিব লাগে। অলপ কমাই দিব লাগে promotional লাগে for action ইমান শুনা motion আজি ঠিক থাকে মানে বৰ্মনে কৈ কৈছে ন আজি আৰু একো ফিক্স কৰিব মানা কৰিছে বৰ্মনে আৰু কালি
It pleases your lordship.
yes.
Lordship, FIR is on page 8, lordship. Lordship, matter is related to mob lynching. So, lordship, case diary may be called for, lordship.
কিছুমান আৰু বেলেগ কিবা কিছুমান চেলি ফিক্স আছে
One matter, lordship, one of the accused, lordship, one of the matters is listed on 27th of March.
27th of March
Yes, this month.
এই
But
28
this,
মে
but this may not be listed then. It may be listed thereafter also. We don't have any objection regarding.
no you got arrested on 31
Yes, yes, lordship. With another 10 people, 9 people, I have been arrested.
the other matter is on 27
27
then can it be
Please, madam, also come
yes,
up
it can be on 27 or you don't want that
Yes, we want it to come later, Lord.
later
Yes,
acha
দেন মাইল 7th of April
7th of April
yes, Lord.
7th clearly CDP call for. Okay, we are calling for this case diary on 7th.
Obliged, Lord.
My please, your lordship. Total custody 19 days, your lordship. My humble prayer, CD may kindly call for your lordship with a prayer short date, your lordship.
Case is from Rongamati, yes.
JRPS, Gauhati.
my god
JLPS. Acha,
Really?
GRPS.
JRPS, Gauhati.
on 30 third
30.
Lordship,
30.
lordship. Obliged, lordship.
May it please your lordship. The leading counsel in this matter is supposed to join through VC, but he is currently in legs in Tripura High Court, your lordship. So it may be taken up after some time, your lordship.
After some time.
Yes, Lord. Much obliged.
May I please, your lordship.
Yes.
FIR at page number 8, lordship. FIR lodged by the daughter-in-law against the father-in-law, husband and mother-in-law, lordship. Before your lordship is present petition filed by the father-in-law, lordship. FIR 8, she was residing at her father's house, lordship. She is in separation with her husband. Suddenly came on the date of incident and lost this false FIR
Where the
against.
FIR?
Page number 8, lordship. Type copy. Vernacular copy, page number 14, lordship. Paragraph 3 is the main allegation, lordship. Page 19, page 9, lordship, translated copy. He is not residing in the father-in-law house. Husband already arrested by the investigating authority and he is released on later, lordship. Now father-in-law, nothing, lordship. She is residing in her father's house, lordship. She is in separation. They lost the করতে পারে।
Oh, once.
Allegation is very serious.
Who translated these things?
It is a
They
family dispute.
translated in English, we cannot follow the English. And the
Vernacular group
vernacular also is not
page
legible,
14 Lord.
not legible. What do you want to actually, what is the FIR in fact? I don't know. I was one big husband resident, but later they tortured. When a book name.
She is aware that Lordship, one book is required to him which is available to her husband, Lordship. He called her husband on telephone that this book is required, but he did not respond her call. That's why she came to her husband's house. When she entered into husband's house, Lordship, father-in-law tried to sexually assault her. This is the case, Lordship. Accordingly, she also informed her mother-in-law and husband, but they have denied this allegation. This is the case.
Yes.
Yes, there is from the allegations, my lord, firstly, from the day of the first day of the marriage, my lord, physical torture start.
Is there.
That is the allegation against husband Pushpogara, petitioner
Husband.
number 1. Thereafter, my lord, while she intimated about the same to her father-in-law, then father-in-law also, my lord, there is allegation that she is trying to, my lord, sexually harass her. Those are the allegations.
No, but on the day of
And-
incident, that is on 2/2/26, again he committed such things.
Yes,
Father-in-law,
yes, father-in-law.
as per allegation.
These are the allegations. My lord,
She went there most probably to bring one book name, I don't know what is name, Ulka or what is. And then
Ulka
when
is
he
a
tried
book.
to enter the house,
Yeah.
father-in-law tried to commit rape. So very nasty allegations against his father-in-law.
Yes.
Father-in-law.
That is CDB called for arrests. CDB called for arrest. Yes, Portakur, when it can be listed then.
On my lord,
1st of April.
yes, first of all.
Lordship, interim may be granted. Father-in-law, Lordship.
I was supposed to say, I'm just, genuinely I'm saying, I just want to get him,
CD may be
try to
called
give
for
him
just
interim, but the
interim.
allegation is very nasty.
Very serious, Lord.
And dear, this is true, in fact.
No.
In many cases that we have
Many
heard,
cases
the
sometimes.
father-in-law rapes his daughter-in-law. This is very,
That's
very,
why interim protection.
especially in
Lordship.
some
After perusal of the
areas.
CD, Lordship.
Pardon?
After perusal of the CD. After perusal of the CD, if
Oh, yes,
anything,
yes, after
Lordship,
perusal it will be,
may
but
be
the prima
rejected.
facie it is in that she got such a allegation. Let the CDP go. 1st of April. 6.
Ma'am, please, your lordship.
Yes.
Lordship matter may be passed for time being, your lordship. Yes. Problem.
May it please your lordship. Well, at the outset, I want to say, my lord, that a similar matter has been disposed of by coordinate bench, whether lordship will take up, my lord. Annexed it, the order, my lord. That is at page 16.
Page 60.
My lord, I think there's a notification, my lord, whether that notification exists or not now, my lord, that if matter is disposed of by a coordinate bench.
Coordinate bench से की lawyers, the key matter. Jahan. Civil lawyers.
Or lordship may take up, my lord.
Well, we are also confused.
Yes, my lord.
Notification says that once disposed, the same FIR
Yes,
should be
yes,
read
yes.
before the
Yes,
court.
my lord.
But now they're familiarly giving every matters, even the special matters are also listed. I don't know what. But yes, obviously, most probably the concerned court is now taking, I think, civil bench.
Civil
Now
bench.
she is taking civil bench.
No, the lordship may take up, my lord. Or
The criminal bench will be released.
For how many? 2 accused, most probably. the petition earlier.
Earlier
was
for
there-
two accused, my lord, on the similar footing, my lord, page 8 is the FIR. Page 8 is the FIR, my lord.
Let's see. Notification to education. Oh, brutality. Because what has happened, sometimes maybe coordinate bench, but view may be different, no, isn't it?
Yes, my
So
lord.
that's
Yes.
why, if it is, in the same bench, then it matter be easy. Because my view may be different
Yes,
from
yes,
other
yes,
view.
yes, ma'am.
That is
Yes,
different.
my lord. Possible.
But now the every matter is being listed anywhere. Anyway, what is the 8? Yes, page number 8.
Page 8 is the FIR, my lord.
Ah.
Here, my lord, allegation is that, my lord, some persons, my lord, we are not named, my lord. Some persons, my lord, they demanded for 5 lakhs, then they came to 3 lakhs, then 20 to 2 lakhs, then at last 20,000, my lord. Chronologically, my lord, 20,000 they demanded from a person, my lord. Then, my lord, then after that, my lord, he rupees 45,000 was, my lord, taken away from him along with the gold sale, my lord. But petitioner were not named, my lord. The earlier both people whose bail application was disposed of, they are also not named, and we are also not named. One, Hyder Ali has been specifically named, my lord. And police, my lord, on suspicion, they are searching me like the earlier two persons, my lord.
You are the owner of this Swift Desire? No.
My lord, my lord, owner नहीं जाने, owner तो ना. Lordship, my lord.
But why you are apprehending it?
My lord, on similar ground, on suspicion, my lord, police is searching us, my lord. Paragraph 4 of the page 17, my lord. No, that application was disposed of, my lord, but we, if Lordship, my lord, give us interim will appear, my lord, my lord, then Lordship may peruse the CD and take a final call, my lord.
My lord, page 10, my lord, of the FIR later on 3085 and 3102 of the BNS also add with me.
30.
3102 and 3085, my lord.
Page number 10.
Page number 10, my lord,
Oh, yes.
FIR added section 3085 and 3102 of the BNS.
But the contents of the FIR will be same, my lord. Contents will not be different, my lord. But that's a read bail application or disposed of. My pray, my lord, we may be granted interim, we are on the same footing, my lord. We'll appear, my lord. After that, Lordship may take a final call, my lord, if possible, my lord.
Administration of the public. Also, parties be waterful. Then it shall be appearing. This application, sections, and so in. Submitted by Mr. Abdullah that the present accused petition he is not be connected in the case. His name is also not mentioned in the FIR. However, and it is purely a case of demand, wherein on the non-fulfillment of demand, some persons affect the internet. But the police is on suspicion, the police is searching the present petition, and for which he had to appear the police court with a prayer for anticipatory bail. One of the co-accused has already granted the arrest bill by the coordinate bench of this court. By order dated 10/3/2026 in AB 496 of the 2026. Considering the case of the present petition in the same thing, his prayer may also be. However, he is ready and willing to extend his cooperation in further investigation of this case. He is granted some information. Next time, Mr. Gauhati is submitted. The case is of serious nature and subsequently at 308 subsection 5 and 3 10 subsection 2 has also been added on the prayer made by the client. Accordingly, he insisted to call for case. Hearing the submission made by solicitor. He will be under interim protection.
I'm grateful, my lord. I'm obliged.
And
On my lord, 1st of April.
Obliged, my lord.
Lordship, that was called for Lordship. I am behind the bars since 60 days as today Lordship. Office Gauhati Lordship extend to.
just a second. We have received here.
My lord, item number 14.
She has submitted.
CS submitted.
You are in behind the bar since when? For?
Yes,
How
Lordship,
many
for
days?
how much? As today as 60 days Lordship.
60 days.
Extend to 10 years Lordship. Arrested on 17/1/26. Lordship, I may be allowed, I will fetch the trial Lordship.
No, in that case, we have to pay, we have to
Yes.
call for the scan copy, etc. So why don't you appear before the learned trial court below? That will be better.
Yes.
Mr. You are Mr.
A.K. Ahmed Lordship.
Mr. A. Yeah. Done. Mr. E. Porter, so and so. Case was fixed for production of the ID, but it is submitted by Mr. Porter. The case has already been charged. I see it's number.
15/26 dated 21/2/26.
As case has already been charged, the petitioner is hereby directed to approach the learned trial court below with an appropriate application for bail, which may be considered in accordance. Above observation.
Obliged.
15, my lord, case diary not received.
My lord, for timing, my lord, for timing.
Is there not
It is-
received?
My lord,
CD not
yes,
received.
maybe, my lord, but very interesting, my lord, this case, my lord, this similar offense, my lord, already, for, my lord, anti-city bail was applied, some other co-accused, my lord. They were released on bail, my lord, anti-city bail, regarding anti-city bail, my lord. And my lord, this is the regular bail, my lord. There is the accident, my lord. When a truck, tractor, and my lord, a motorcycle come from the forward, the truck illegally loaded the earth, my lord. And there is the accident, when there was accident, my lord, more than 500 people were gathered, my lord. And the police personnel came to place.
Anyway, yes, Potakur going to submit, I think.
My lord, kindly,
This is my prayer before lordship already.
my lord, kindly, the
CD was already called for. Any
Yes,
sort
my
that
lord.
will be fixed.
My lord,
When you are in custody?
my lord, I'm 2/3/2026. my lord.
2nd of March.
Second, my lord,
Second
the
of-
already, my lord, anti-city bail, the same FIR, my lord, same accused, my lord, and anti-city bail granted, my lord.
That is anticipated, but here the accused person already arrested. No?
My lord, here the Mizanur Rahman won, the regular bail, and the anti-city bail was released, my lord, page 7/9, the, my lord, accused number 2, Nuzmul, my lord. The, my lord, next, accused number 3, FIR accused number 3, and 4, and 11, my lord. They are released on bail, my lord, anti-city bail, my lord. There is no allegation, my lord. There is a accident, my lord.
Well, the accused person assaulted and used criminal force against on-duty police.
But there is no specific allegation who was
Accused
actually more
persons
than
damaged
500 people
government
were
property,
gathered, my lord.
including the official police vehicle.
More than 500, my lord. Who injured? But there is no specific, my lord, kindly see FIR, my lord. And on the other hand, my lord, the same FIR, my lord.
Okay, then we can change it the coordinate bench. Then who is the bench? This is the only bench or other bench is there?
This is the only bench, my lord.
Who disposed the matters?
Yes, my lord. Anti-city bail, my lord.
Only Thursday, my lord, without closing the city.
No, we single bench closing.
My lord, the need custody, my lord, for considering that period, my lord.
Any single bench, select their always.
But after perusing the, my lord, FIR in this case, CD was called for. My lord.
Correct, my lord. My lord, there is also Eid festival, my lord. So, my lord, considering the detention period, my lord, and the anti-city bail all released on the other 4 accused, my lord. And he is the regular
and in custody, my lord.
I think
after-
materials against the present petitioner, police
There
arrested
is
him.
no specific allegation.
May
against-
not all those persons, my lord, who are
There
already.
is no specific, my lord, I stated my para number 5, my lord. Kindly see, my lord. Para number 5. What happened, my lord? In Rudely, when an accident was occurred, my lord, more than 500 people were gathered, my lord. And the police come to let on the
No,
place of
only,
occurrence.
only because, my lord, police come some lately, my lord, whether
And the,
how they can assault them and. my
no,
lord,
they are not assaulted, my lord. They will also prevent, my lord. Is 5, my lord. Para number 5 is clearly stated, my lord. My lord, considering the my detention period, my lord, my humble period, my lord. My lord, forwarding report also, my lord, no specific allegation against me, my lord.
Where is the forwarding?
My lord, page 10, my lord. There is no specific allegation against the petitioner, my lord. Page 10, my lord.
Ground number 6, my lord.
So four of them got arrested.
4 identified, man. And out of these 4 persons, the present petitioner is one of the accused. Mizanur Ali, accused number 1, man. On being identified, these 4 persons are arrested.
Identified means when they were arrested, that is identified. Otherwise, my lord, who in the attack the vehicle, my lord, that part was not mentioned. Lord. If 500 people were gathered, how they identified me? Is the question, my lord. There is the accident, my lord. I consider my lord detention period, my lord. And coordinate been already released, my lord, other COVID.
Yeah, I know. So it can. Hold the data. Some persons were most probably identified by some of the persons,
Yes,
but gathering a person cannot be denied. There
Yes.
are gathering,
yes,
and this most probably took active part,
yes,
maybe.
yes,
Nowadays, if any accident occurs, and this is common view now.
yes,
The people gathers and try to set fire on the vehicle and all. Even they do not care the police officers.
yes. Only because
Okay.
police come lately, my lord, they, my lord, assaulted police personnel and
Ah.
damaged the police vehicles.
Which number? 50. You are Mr. H. Akbar.
Yes, sir.
H. Ali. Are Mr. H. Ali of the petition. Are Mr. P. Potter. Edition. It's an application. City not received. No invitation received from the app. Next, Mr. Ali did not. That the present petitioner is innocent and has not committed any such offense as alleged here. However, it is a fact that after an accident which took place between one truck and a motorcycle, around 400-500 of persons, local persons gathered here And some of the persons also tried to damage the vehicle. But as the petitioner belonged to the same locality, he was also present there. And somehow he could be identified some of the informants and the adverts laws against the present petitioner, disclosing his name in the but submitted that the three co-accused persons have already released on the arrest bail. And considering the case of the present petitioner and the same, he may be released. Further, he submitted that the accused got arrested on 2/3/2026, and since then he is in custody. Hence, the IO got sufficient opportunity to interrogate him, keeping him in custody. However, he is ready and willing to extend his further cooperation in the investigation of this case. It is granted. Mr. Board put it on attention in this week. That there is specific allegation brought in the FIR that the accused persons not only tried to damage the vehicle, the private vehicle, but they also tried to damage the police vehicle as well as assaulted some police person while discharging their duties. And Mr. Report accordingly submitted that city may be awaited to know the actual facts. Next, considering the submission made by the sense, without going detail into the other merit of the case, only considering the length of detention, only by the accused, and that the police personnel got sufficient time to interrogate him, keeping him in custody, and that's custodial detention may not be. To whose satisfaction, sir?
CGM, Porpeta, madam.
CGM?
Porpeta.
Yes,
Hello, Abhilash.
Item 3, Lordship. Lordship, here, 483 application, Lordship. This is subsequent bail, Lordship has earlier rejected after perusal of the case diary, Lordship. Here, there were 2 cases filed against the petitioner. So, in other case, I have annexed by additional affidavit. I have annexed the order passed by the coordinate bench granting the petitioner privilege of regular bail. And at the same time, Lordship, there is another difficulty, Lordship. Petitioner being the sole earner of the family, his father is facing very emergency medical attention. Even he had to go to GNRC, Lordship. So I have annexed those documents. His one brother is there, but he is incomeless and even mentally not very developed. So, Lordship, the entire burden of the family on his soldier, Lordship. So, this count I have filed additional affidavit considering the length of detention spent, and also, Lordship, considering the fact that the vehicle in question in the present affair has already been recovered. If anybody has any kind of grievance, and in fact, Lordship, one Rupjyoti Das is the person who duped even the petitioner. Petitioner's vehicle are also his sister, his brother, his cousin brothers, all believing that yes, a good rent will come, the family will receive a good rent by hearing. That was the whole purpose. So, Lordship, ultimately, trial will decide the entire Lordship, fact, Lordship. So, in the other order which I am relying on.
Only after 6-7 days, you have Filed in present.
Lordship, considering these facts, Lordship, considering that his father is not well, requires urgent medical and 41 days today, Lordship. 41 days.
Where is the medical document?
I have annexed in the additional affidavit. On 14th, he had to take to GNRC, Lordship. He is the only earning member of the family, and at this stage, Lordship requires, considering the length of detention, Lordship, he will cooperate remaining part of the investigation now. And after this, he was thoroughly interrogated, Lordship, for 9 days. One in 5 days, thereafter 4 days. No, thereafter no one has visited, Lordship. He will cooperate, Lordship.
Well, earlier rejected only on 10
Yes, I have.
2026, and from the earlier order, it reflects that although regarding in the present case, those two vehicles were recovered, but he is a habitual offender, and the modus operandi of the present petitioner, in this manner, he took vehicle on the pretext of taking on rent, my lord, thereafter sold those vehicles to my lord, Arunachal Pradesh and other states.
Lordship.
So, and from the earlier rejection order, it also reflects that he is not only involved in the present case, my lord, some other cases are also, my lord, although those numbers are not there, my lord. But my lord, in the same manner, my lord, he is doing this type of offenses. Otherwise, on the medical ground also, my prayer at this point of time, my lord,
I just want
this type of offenses, my lord, his custodial interrogation, my lord,
Lord,
maybe, my lord, at that point of time regarding, but he will again involve in committing same kind of offense. My lord. Some other cases are also
Lordship.
there.
Lordship. There are 2 cases has been registered. One is this Nunmati, and thereafter that was Boishishto. That was the soon arrested case, Lordship. Subsequent to that, that was. And in that case, Lordship, he has
And
already
now, my lord, number of those
granted
cases
bail.
mentioned
And
earlier, my
other
lord,
case,
was not,
Lordship,
were not.
I may be allowed to, I just 1-2 minutes, Lordship. No other cases filed against him except these 2 cases, Lordship. No other case, Lordship. The other one, after his arrest only, that Boishishto case was registered on 16th to Lordship. After, no habitual offender. He is having a business premise, HRA traders, which deals in Lordship, no earlier antecedent, Lordship.
My lord, taking
No
the
earlier antecedent. This is absolutely out and out from the fact of this Rupjyoti, who himself duped the petitioner by taking his own brother, cousin brother, sister's vehicle, Lordship. No antecedent, Lordship, not a single occasion has ever been involved in any kind of criminal antecedent, Lordship. This case, Nunmati, was lost subsequent to that only, that Boishishto PS case, this thing.
my lord, he is a
Boishishto
veteran
case-
criminal, my lord, in
No,
this, my
Lordship,
lord,
that is
Gauhati
a
means
presumption, Lordship.
continuously, my lord, this type of offenses is
No,
going, my lord,
Lordship.
taking vehicle on rent, thereafter, my
No,
lord, sold
Lordship.
those vehicles to Mizoram, my lord, Manipur, Arunachal
Lordship.
Pradesh, my lord, so
Lordship.
police trying
That
to,
is,
my lord, name all these accused persons to some of the
Lordship,
cases, my lord,
that
huge
case-
quantity, other cases, my lord, vehicles were recovered, my lord. And now the
Lord-
present petitioner, my lord, he may be involved in, not only in this, now, my lord, pointed out that other cases, Boishishto and
Boishishto, I'm fairly considered. I fairly considered the fact that another and that play order I have placed, Lordship. This is the only 2 cases, Lordship.
rejected only on, my lord, 10-3. So considering that aspect, my
And,
lordship updated CD may be called for at this stage. Well, otherwise, this type
Then,
of
Lordship,
offenders, my lord, they are
updated diary day after
continuously-
tomorrow, Lordship, considering his
continuously they are involved in committing.
Lordship, when the event will come, when he will have the opportunity to prove his innocence.
And
And there is every likelihood, there is every likelihood, Lordship, when agreement is there, when Rupjyoti has entered into agreement, everything, Lordship.
everything is okay, but thereafter there is no agreement that after
Lordship,
taking the vehicle on rent, he will be allowed to
there
sell the
will be-
vehicle to other states, my
Lord-
lord. And thereafter, for some days, my lord, they are involved in paying rent, my lord. And thereafter, my lord, immediately, while not paying rent, while the owner of the vehicle inquire, where is my vehicle? Then, my lord, they came to know that, my lord, those vehicles were already sold, my lord. And this is not only in, my lord, two vehicles, my lord, continuously, my lord, going on, my lord. Some, my lord, vehicle owners in, my lord, everywhere there are cases, my lord, against this type of cases, my lord.
I
And there is
totally,
proof
I,
Saying,
I,
day
there is a
after
group,
tomorrow,
my
will
lord.
it come?
Yes, my lord.
Day after tomorrow.
Day
updated
after
status,
tomorrow, my lord.
updated status to logo pare.
Typical, my
Yes,
lord.
Lordship, updated status, that may be whether,
Your lordship fixed on, my lord, 23 seconds, Monday, my lord.
Lordship, that will be too longer, Lordship. I'm repeating the fact, Lordship. Today is 41 days,
20?
Oh, yes, 20, I can try.
20, Lordship. Can it be day after tomorrow, Lordship? Day after tomorrow, Lordship, because then they are only to get the instruction. In the event, Lordship,
not only instruction, my lord.
I'm fairly placing a flag, Lordship. Tomorrow trial proceeded. And if he gets acquitted, and now at this stage, his father requires his attention, nothing would compensate that situation, Lordship. It's not a case I have come after 1 week or 10 days, Lordship. 41 days are spent by him, Lordship. And the other case, two case and one case, he already granted bail. Day after tomorrow, Lordship.
23, my lord, day after tomorrow.
Day after
23.
tomorrow, Lordship. Only he is to get instruction,
Because,
Lordship.
my lord, I also have to get some time, my lord, because these are not, my lord, criminals that some his
Is
family
this
members
kind
were
of
released,
Lordship?
for which, my lord,
When-
they are allowed.
When if
to
he
conduct, my lord,
if they feel very
they
serious,
are veteran
Lordship.
criminals, my lord.
If
This
they
type-
feel so serious, let them please. Day after tomorrow, Lordship. Day after tomorrow,
Yes, my lord, I'll
Lordship.
try.
Kindly, kindly.
Who knows?
Day after tomorrow, updated case diary, Lordship. Obliged. I'm deeply obliged, Lordship.
16, are they on interim?
Interim is there, my lord. 16, my lord.
We
Did
have
not,
received a case diary.
CD not received, one.
CD.
Number 16.
Did not receive, should remain. Yes, when it can be.
On, my lord, 24th of April, my lord.
Interim be continued till election.
70. May I please, your lordship?
17, we have received this.
My lord, scan copy, my lord. Scan copy is there, my lord. But I have verified, my lord. 24 for 26 is only for appearance, my lord. And 183 statement I have not found. Other
Well, the petitioner
183
is already
statement
in-
there, my lord.
Petitioner is already in interim bail, my lord. And the informant is a habit of filing such type of cases, my lord. I have give one instance in this case. If my
It's otherwise charge sheeted case.
Charge sheet statement.
charge sheet, no, he is in interim.
Next there is fiction 24 for appearance, my lord.
He is a government servant, my
On
lord.
the basis of interim, whether he can appear now.
No, my lord. In the last order, my lord, I found my lord not appeared, my lord. So my kindly press, my lord.
He is not.
Absent us on that day near that.
Notice for it.
One eight three is not here.
My lord, not here.
Medical at medical.
Medical.
Medical or not. It's fine, sir. My lord, may I submit, my lord? Small submission, my lord.
Yes, yes.
My lord, kindly peruse the FIR, first FIR, that is, I have annexed in page 10, my lord. Annexure B. That FIR has been lodged by the same informant against one Borun Kundu, my lord. What she has stated, my lord, may I read, my lord? Respectively, beg to state that I had relationship with the aforesaid accused persons, namely Borun Kundu, for about last 4 months. The accused persons had also given the proposal to marry me. When I came to know he has cancer, HIV, and I told him not to marry you,
On last 16/1/2025 in the evening about 7 p.m. he came to my house and assaulted me physically and took away my mobile phone and left the place by threatening me to burn by pouring petrol. Therefore, I lodged a written SR by coming the police station. I suspect that the HIV virus has spread into my body from the accused. That FIR has been lodged against one Borun Kundu. That is within this 4 months of relationship, they have some relationship, my lord. Now kindly come to the FIR against me, my lord. That is annexure C page 15, my lord. And first FIR was lodged on 17/1/2025, my lord. And just after about 4 months, my lord, this FIR has been lodged against my client, my lord. May I read, my lord? Respectively, back to inform you that I got introduced with the aforesaid accused persons through Facebook of 20 days ago only. After later took my phone number and talked like a good friend. On last 29/5/2025 at around 3:30 p.m., the accused called me in the railway quarter at Hujai for introducing me with his sister. After going to the quarter, when I did not find his sister, I asked him where about his sister. Then he replied that his sister went to the shop, and by taking me inside the room, put off the light, and by tying my mouth by a cloth, raped me against my will. Thereafter, when I informed the matter to my family, he falsely assured to marry me and to do court marriage. The accused person is presently working in railway station. When my family told him to marry me, he refused to do so. Well, similar FIR earlier occasion filed against one Borun Kundu. Thereafter, by taking money, she has compromised the matter, my lord. And in this case, my lord, as per the allegation in the FIR itself says that the incident took place on 29/5/2025. She waited for last 10 days as per her allegation on lost the FIR on 7/6/2025. Moreover, my lord, the FIR does, my lord, this totally false FIR. When she came to know that this informant is a railway employee, my lord, she wanted to marry her, my lord. It is an admitted fact that she got introduced with the accused persons with the for last 20 days, my lord. I have stated in paragraph 5, my lord. And as per information, my lord, she has lost some other affairs which is not with me, my lord. Other similar situated affair, my lord, she has filed and she has compromised the matter, my lord. 4-5 affairs are there. And as per information, my lord, she has refused to do the medical examination in this case, my lord. And the petitioner herein is a
This
railway
is the
employee, my lord.
case wherein interim was granted, but he was directed to again appear before the IO. I don't know why.
My lord,
In the order,
my lord, interim was granted on my lord.
Long back, my lord. That is on 26/2025.
25, my lord.
I have appeared, my lord.
And charge sheet submitted on 6/8/2025, my lord.
6/8,
My lord, 2025,
6/8/20.
my lord. Charge sheet submitted,
Oh, acha. Prior to search it, he was granted.
granted interim.
My lord.
Like how many FIRs she has filed, that is not our concern, my lord. Our concern is only the present FIR, my lord.
My lord.
We are concerned with the present FIR, my lord. Here, as per allegation, my lord, the accused person has committed the offense, my lord, against her will, my lord. That is clear from
No.
the FIR itself, my lord. And I have already submitted, my lord, in the scan copy, my lord. Appearance next date is for appearance, my lord, on 24/4/26, and 180 statement is not available in the case record, my lord. That is my submission, my lord. And in the before that, I have seen one order of the land trial court, my lord. Here said that he was absent, my lord, on that day.
Victim statement.
One eighty.
I'm a government employee.
As an absconder.
Minor.
He is shown as an absconder.
No.
No.
Then why don't you appear before the learned trial court video? I'll just go.
Well, the thing is that I have to appear before the CGM, my lord, and the case is traveled by the court of session, my lord. This is the difficulty, my lord.
Interim bail. that
Yes,
is
yes, we are in. That will be extended until then. I will
You
be.
can appear
Yes.
because now technically one
Minor.
problem is
Yes,
there.
yes.
That is there because again you'll be on. I mean, you'll be not on regular bail.
My lord, he may appear at any time, my
You
lord,
are
as
not-
interim
you
is
will
there,
not
my
be
lord.
in regular bail in that case, so it will again be difficult. We made some observation here
Lordship.
that can be done. I
Lordship.
think. Heard Mr. B. Chandan, the learned counsel petitioner, also heard Mr. B. Sharma. With an additional PP agreement. Scan copy of the TCR has been received, but it is submitted by Mr. Sharma that the statement of the victim recorded under section 183 PNSS is not available. Next, it is submitted by Mr. Chanda that during the pendency of this case before filing of the charge sheet, considering the nature of allegation and other aspects of the case, he was granted with interim pre-arrest bail, while it's ordered dated 20/06/2020, and thereafter also the the IO could not produce the case diary on several occasions, and for which the personal show cause notice was also furnished to the IO. But subsequently, on charge sheet has been filed in this case on 20/06/2025. His interim is extending by this court and extended by this court, and prior to the filing of the charge sheet, as per order of the court, the accused petitioner had already appeared before the IO, cooperated in the investigation, and his statement is also recorded. He further submitted that his he is now ready and willing to appear before the learned trial court below and contest the case accordingly. He is provided with some interim protection. Mr. Sharma, the learned additional PP submitted in this regard that his interim pre-arrest bail was considered earlier after period of the case diary. Considered earlier, but before period of the case diary, the case was already charged as intimated by the However, he submitted that the petitioner may be directed to appear before the learned trial court below with an regular bail application, which may be considered in accordance. Next, in view of considering the submission made by learned counsel for both sides, it is seen that his earlier interim pre-arrest bail was considered by this court, and during dependency of this case by this court, and accordingly, he also appeared before the IO, and cooperated in the investigation of this case. The statement of the accused is also available in the case diary. Thus, it is seen that during investigation, the accused petitioner was cooperating in the investigation, and considering this aspect, his interim prayer was also extended by this court. Accordingly, the petitioner is hereby directed to appear before the learned trial court with an appropriate application for bail, which may be considered in accordance with law. However, till 15 days from the date of order, his earlier interim protection will be extended so that he can appear and wait for his release. I have already mentioned that considering all these aspects, your
Lordship,
bail
Lordship.
petition was recorded and you have extended your cooperation, your, your statement is also available in it.
Lordship,
So that may be one of the aspects.
deep level of the law.
May please your lordship.
Yes, so at least 18, we have received a case diary here.
18 CD received, my lord.
Yes, madam.
Lordship, I am on interim lordship. The petitioner has duly appeared before the investigating officer.
Petitioner appeared, my lord. Their statement recorded, my lord.
Lordship will find the FIR on page 22, Lordship. The allegation was regarding a vehicle, Lordship. FIR was lost for 2 vehicles, but the informant has himself stated that one of the vehicle has been paid, another one was left out, and he has instructed one of his brother to receive the outstanding amounts. Later on, we have filed an additional affidavit where we have stated that we have almost paid 11,72,000 as per agreement, Lordship. From
It has already been reflected in the order of interim period.
yes.
Yes, what happened otherwise?
They appeared, my lord, statement record regarding the dispute is, my lord, regarding one vehicle already. Both the vehicles returned, but second vehicle returned in a damaged condition, my lord, and thereafter some rent also not paid. It is a prima facie seems, my lord, there is some civil, my lord, ingredients is there regarding.
Mr. D. Matthew, and Mr. Keyboard, and additional PA on the this an application section runs. It is submitted by Mr. Mehdi that there was some dispute in regards to 2 vehicles which have already been returned. And payment has also been made according. But further, it is submitted that in person to order dated 13/08/2025, the petitioner appeared before the I and extended his cooperation in the investigation. He is still ready and willing to extend his cooperation if it is needed by the next Mr. Watt would return additional people submitted in this that the petitioner accordingly appeared before the I and he has cooperated in the investigation process. Next point, explain the submission made by the sense, nature of allegation and the materials availability case diary. I find that custodial interrogation may not be required for the purpose of the investigation. In view of this, the order of interim arrest bail dated 13/08/2025, 13/08/2025, thereby made absolute with same terms and conditions. Above the
Deeply obliged.
19, my lord, in this case, search sheet submitted, my lord. Petitioner is in interim.
Okay, then we are extending your interim. For 15 days, appear before the land trial. You are Mr. S. Ahmed or M. Rahman?
I am for the S. Ahmed and my name is M. Rahman.
You are M. Rahman. Your name is also here. No issue. Heard Mr. M. Rahman, the learned counsel for the petition. And also heard Mr. P. Botkus and so. Yes, CS number
CS
is
number, my lord, 111/25. Dated 30/12/25.
is 15 days for next.
11/111/25. 30/12.
Okay. Here, what is the position? 20?
20, my lord, CD, updated CD not received.
Updated city not received. No one represented the petitioner. Stop updated city not received. Issue reminder. The matter be accordingly listed on 21,
Yes, 21.
21 for Venso. Interim be continued. Released. Okay. But funny only. Yes, 23 also interim was there. What is the position?
23, my lord, I have received the report. Now, my lord, there are 5 petitioners against 5 petitioners, my lord. As per the matter, no any case has been registered.
No
against-
case raised.
No case registered. অনুপ বৰুৱা, নোমলজ্যোতি দাস, অভিষেক দাস, পংকজ সিংহ, অঞ্জনা সিং।
Anup Purva, Nomal Jyoti Das, Abhishek Das, Pankaj Singha, and Anjan Sen. Anjana Sen. An application for repetition. However, it is submitted by Mr. Bott. The plan petition that report is received from Gitanagar PS. With a Gitanagar police have till date, no case has been registered against the 5 numbers of petitioners mentioned in the LB office. The present AB stands disposed of, and the interim granted to the petitioners on 02/02/2026 is hereby vacated. However, the petitioners are at liberty to approach the appropriate forum in the event any case is registered against it. The report be kept in the case report along with the disposal.
25, my lord, in this case, my lord, case diary not received, my lord. Initially, my lord, no case was registered against the present petitioner. Later on, my lord, a report received that one Kolgasia PS 20/26 registered against the petitioner. So CD not yet received.
Lordship, in the meantime, your lordship, today I have got the copy of the FIR.
Let them file an additional affidavit by annexing the FIR.
And now this way you cannot file, you have to file an addition.
Yes, of course, I will file affidavit, your lordship. But what I am saying, your lordship, there is no interim, your lordship. Petition number 182 years old man, your lordship. Kindly see.
So
This
under which case section it is registered? 1182.
1182, your lordship. And the nature of allegation, kindly have a look, your lordship. It was on 5/3/2026, and the date of occurrence is 5/9/2025. And the FIR was on 5/3/2026, your lordship.
Occurrence took place on? Occurrence took place on?
Five-
5/1.
Occurrence on 5/9/2025. And the SIR was lost on 5/3/2026.
It's a very not legible. It may be 5/01/2000.
Lordship, I am reading it, your lordship.
No.
What?
Your reading is not required. Here 5/9, it may be 5/9/2025 or it may be 5/01/2026. I don't know.
The first one, your lordship, date of lodging FIR is 5/3/2026.
No, it's okay. No,
And-
date of occurrence. Date
And
of occurrence.
occurrence is 5/9/2025.
No, you're saying 5/9/2025. It's not at all legible.
Yes.
It may be 5/1/2026 also. Anyway, heard Mr. A.M. Khan, the Learned Counsel for the petition, and also heard Mr. P. The Learned Petition PP appearing on behalf of said respondent is submitted by Mr. Porter that CD not received till date. No intimation is received from. in view of this, let the petitioners be on interim in PRS bill till receipt of the case diary. In a deputy for appear court matters. Okay, you will be under interim protection,
Yes.
appear before the IO and file this with
Yes.
through an additional
Addition.
agreement. List on
On 24th of April.
20. Injury report may also be called.
Yes.
Yes.
Case diary along with injury.
Obliged.
26.
May it please your lordship.
Yes.
Page 11 is the FR, my lord. Whatever, my lord, the petitioner before your lordship, my lord, is the principal of a school, or head teacher of a school, my lord. Whatever, my lord, page 11 is the FR. Whatever, my lord, thief has stolen a cycle from that school, my lord, and went away, my lord. And parents, my lord, as per my instructions, parents, my lord, not in the school premises, has, my lord, beaten up the thief, my lord. And later on, the thief have succumbed, my lord. But my lord, petitioner is the head teacher of the school, my lord. He has been summoned to the police station several times. He appeared there, my lord. And apart from that, my lord, there is nothing. There cannot be. He is not involved in that, my lord. The beating of that, my lord, thief, my lord. My learned friend will also, but he's not at all involved, my lord. Only thing, he's the principal head teacher of the school where the thief has stolen from, where the thief has stolen the cycle. And he has, my lord, he has been repeatedly called to the police station. He has, my lord, and possibly as a witness, my lord, but he also fears that he's a government employee, my lord.
My lord, I have received the case there, my lord. My learned and whatever saying, my lord, he is the from the CD also, he is the headmaster of the school, my lord, from where the bicycle was theft by the some person, my lord. Then the people searched and father of the and other person searched the, my lord, bicycle and found from the position of the one mechanic, my lord. From the mechanic, it was sold by the another person who theft the bicycle, my lord. Then, my lord, all of them assaulted my lord, and he was injured, and thereafter he was succumbed to his, my lord, died, my lord, later on. That's why 10
I made an
103
additional affidavit.
103 was added, my lord. And from the, my lord, case diary, it reveals that he was called by the police as a witness. Here,
You are the witness only.
here,
But
my
my
lord,
lord,
his
he is the head
statement is
teacher of the
available.
school, my lord. He has been
His
called
statement
as
is
a
also
witness. He
available.
has again, he has been called. That's why he fears, my lord, that the government employee, my lord. Apprehension is there, my lord.
But if he is called as a witness, my lord, there is no apprehension, my lord.
My lord, but my lord, he has
And,
been called every day. He fears, my lord, the government employee, poor head teacher of a school, my lord.
His statement is also
Of a
available.
village school, my lord. He has been called to the police station, my lord. He has appeared and he will appear, my lord. Lordship may kindly allow him to go on pre-arrest bail. A totally innocent person, nowhere, my lord, involved.
But as a complete lucky, then the council for the also had this feature. It's an application. It's not offensive in the adults. The arrest was committed in his school where he is a principal of the school where from one had stolen one bicycle. Later, some people sorted the kid who subsequently succumbed. But the petitioner is calling repeatedly by the IO, repeatedly the police station, and for which he has the apprehension of arrest, and hence the present petition was lost. However, he is ready and willing to extend his cooperation in the investigation. In Mr. Sharma, the PP submitted in this regard. There is that admittedly there is no such allegation brought against the petitioner. But the alleged theft was committed in his school, and for which he was called in the police station only as a witness, and thus there cannot be any apprehension of arrest in connection with this. Next, but hearing the submission made by the proposals. Considering all aspects of the case, service day materials available in the case diary. Court is of opinion that the subject case wherein the privilege of pre-arrest bail can be granted. Okay, will be under
One line, man, I file an additional affidavit. I mean, 103 has been added, man. So earlier,
line of giving. First submitted that subsequently, I got the marks. Subsequently, after days of the victim, 103 is added.
oblige,
Let's say dispose of.
oblige, man.
He was called as a witness, man. There-
Yes, only as a marks. I have recorded yours.
Man.
Meet will also, my lord. Here case diary was called for. And today was the date fixed from the Decadil PS, case number 316 of 2025, my lord. And also kindly directly come to the FIR in this version, which is translated, page 11. Page 11 of the petition.
Yes, we have received the case.
Yes,
diary.
case diary receipt, my lord.
My lord, the FIR is dated 10/12/2025. Now the
Where is the
police,
FIR?
my lord,
FIR is at page?
page 11.
My lord, case is here, my lord. Before start, I would like to point out, my lord, case is, my lord, registered under section 108 BNS, and FIR is also regarding that. Okay, my lord, inquest report I have received, but PM report is not available. Although, my lord, 10 case is registered under section 108, my lord.
10?
108 of the BNS.
Amendment.
Amendment
Right.
performance issue, but PM report is not there in the system. Anyway, my lord.
May I remember? Most usually, this should be informed that the WhatsApp group chats of my father, Chandra Bahadur Newar, he transfers that the above named accused mentally tortured and humiliated my father in connection with the affairs of Sius Narayan Farmer Product Company Limited. Because of such continuous mental harassment and humiliation, my father was under severe mental stress, and on 10/12/2025, at about 5:30 a.m., my father had committed suicide by hanging. The WhatsApp chats are annexed here with the FIR, but here it is not there. I therefore request you to take necessary legal action against the members of the board of directors of the Seoj Narayan Farmer Products Limited. Apparently, Davis Malad, he had taken money or misappropriated some amount. Nothing mentioned here, unless it is there in the case diary. Huge amount of money. So there was pressure from different board of directors and members to repay the amount, and he did not do it. And there was a, he said that WhatsApp chats were there. There was no direct contact or verbal threat in any way. Through WhatsApp chats, he got depressed and committed suicide. So whether this will amount to commitment, abandonment suicide or not, because when a society is to get money from the deceased, there must be some pressure from the board of directors, because he lastly says, I therefore request you to take necessary legal action against the member of the board of directors of the Seoj Narayan Farmer Product Company Limited. So, Maharaj, this is certainly not the abatement demanding money for the amount he has misappropriated or embezzled. He was also apparently associated with the Seoj Narayan Farmers Product Limited. So, what my friend reveals.
My lord, I would like to point out case diary receipt, my lord. I have also gone through the statement of the witnesses. My lord, one suicide note is also there. My lord, actually, my lord, this is Seoj Narayan Farmer Producer Company Limited is a self-help group, my lord. there are total, my lord, 10 members and one Bharat Subedi and my lord, other my lord Mandhos Subedi. They are also the members, and the present, my lord, present petitioner is Sandan Saha, my lord. And the deceased person, he is also one of the member of that, my lord, society, my lord. That is, my lord, and he is one of the signatory along with one Subedi, my lord, for transaction of the bank accounts. Actually, my lord, from the statement of the witnesses, I came to know that they have actually made one with agreement, my lord, made one agreement with one Sanjoy Bhatra. He is to supply some maize from through this self-help group, my lord. Ultimately, they also took an amount of rupees 88 lakhs, my lord. And thereafter, my lord, 86 lakhs, my lord. Sorry, my lord, 86 lakhs. Thereafter, my lord, some dispute arose between them, and thereafter Sanjay Bhatra came to Dekiazuli, lodged an FIR, my lord. And thereafter, during that, my lord, one case, my lord, and thereafter police, they all went to the police station, my lord, from the statement of the witnesses to settle that dispute. And in the police station also some dispute occurred between, my lord, the present deceased, my lord, and one Subedi, my lord, Suros Subedi, and thereafter, my lord, Bharat Subedi, my lord. Thereafter, the deceased, my lord, he assaulted, and the allegation made by that Bharat Subedi against the deceased that by taking an amount of rupees 46 lakhs, he fled away. And my lord, deceased, my lord. That is that allegation has been made, and he also, my lord, all stated that he is wanted. Anyone who give any information regarding that deceased, then he will be rewarded of rupees 10,000. And the present petitioner, my lord, who he, my lord, tried to settle the, he, my lord, intimated the deceased that he will settle the matter, for which he demanded an amount of rupees 1,50,000 from the deceased, my lord. So this is the case, my lord. Otherwise, from those facts, my lord, after perusing the statement of the wife of the deceased and one of the members of the, my lord, that society, and regarding the deceased also, my lord, there are those allegations, my lord, he stated in his, my lord, note, my lord, that is suicide note, he stated that these are some false allegation made by those, my lord, Suros Subedi and Mansingh Subedi, and there are, and my lord, name of the present petitioner is also there. They have well connected with the politicians, my lord. So they are trying to falsely implicated because these are the allegation in that suicide note, my lord. And during investigation, police has also stated in their note that the present petitioner, my lord, he is trying to settle the matter between the deceased, and for which he demanded an amount of rupees, my lord, 1,50,000 for settling the dispute. Well, lordship, my lord, this is the suicide note, my lord. If your lordship want to tell
What I have said, there is that turned to be true, my lord, turned out to be true. There was an embezzlement of money, 46 lakhs. So there should be pressure, my lord, from all sides. They went to Thana also. The Thana also.
Suicide note and some WhatsApp messages also there, and two witnesses, my lord. I have, my lord, star marks with flag, my lord. One is the wife of the deceased, and other is one of the member of the society. That is salesman.
What it is not a case of abatement of suicide.
While he has already written, also there is a statement. মই যিবোৰ বেমাৰত আক্ৰান্ত হৈ আছো, বেমাৰ ভাল হোৱা পৰিৱৰ্তে বাঢ়ি গৈ আছে। মই জীয়াই থাকিলে মইতো যি কষ্ট ভুগিব লাগিবই, তাৰ উপৰি মোৰ পৰিয়ালৰ পত্নী, ল'ৰা ছোৱালী সকলোৱে হাৰাশাস্তি
Yes.
কষ্ট পাব, মানসিকভাৱে ভাগি পৰিব, যি অলপ সম্পত্তি মাটি বাৰী আছে দিনে দিনে মোৰ ওপৰত খৰচ কৰি শেষ কৰিব। তাতকৈ মই মৰিলে 2-4 দিন কষ্ট পাব, লাহে লাহে শান্তি ঘূৰি আহিব। আকৌ নিজৰ কাম কৰা সুযোগ পাব। He was suffering from some diseases also.
Regarding that, yes, but that disease, well, statement of the well, 2 flag I star mark wife statement of the his wife and one other member's statement is also there. I have flag mark one of the member, but his wife also not stated regarding any disease about any disease.
About his disease.
Some pages are my lord already there is no. I have a star marks my lord, 2 flag marks.
Timothy Hima Pradhan is his wife.
Wife. And other is one of the member of the society.
Mr. Senior Advocate, assisted by assisted by MS M. Bora, the learned counsel for the petitioner, also part Mr. P. Waterford, petitioner PP, appearing on this is an application under section connection with however, it is submitted by Mr. Waterford that the PM report is not available in the case report. So, the statement of the witnesses is that Mr. Sharma, the learned senior, submitted in this report that the present accused petitioner is innocent and he is no way connected to the alleged offense. Is the fact that the present petitioner, along with the other accused persons and the deceased himself, were the members of one self-help group, Hughes SEUJ, Hughes Noyon NAYN Noyon, farmer producer company limited. But subsequently, there was an embezzlement fund of rupees 46 lakhs, wherein it is alleged that the deceased was involved in the said embezzlement, and for that reason only, after getting some pressure for refund of the money, he may committed suicide. But the present petitioner is not at all involved in the alleged offense. However, he is ready and willing to extend his cooperation in the investigation of this case if he is provided with the privilege of appearance to be. Next. Mr. Waterford, you done it. PP submitted in this regard. It is a fact that the deceased, along with the present petitioner and some others, were the members of one self-help group, where it was alleged that the about 46 lakhs was misappropriated by the deceased, and some of the persons also put pressure on him for return of the money. But from the materials available in the case diary as well as from the suicide note, it is seen that the present petition was trying to settle the matter between the other members of the self-help group. However, he demanded to pay 1.5 lakhs for the such settlement. Thereafter, the petitioner, by preparing a suicide note, had committed suicide. However, it is submitted by Mr. Bora that his custodial interrogation may be for the purpose of investigation. Hearing this submission made by learned counsel for both sides, considering the methods available in the case diary, other aspects of the case, I find that this court is obtained that interim protection means that the privilege of PRS bail can be granted to the present petition with a direction to cooperate in the investigation of this case. Investigation in view of this and so on. Okay, we're granted with pre-arrest bail.
My lord,
So your petition is allowed, you granted with pre-arrest bail.
against security amount, my lord.
It will be reflected in the causes, it will be 50,000.
T.
50.
Of course, this man is not involved. He just wanted to compromise them. This Chandan Shah, who is the petitioner, he was not involved.
No, you are granted with bail.
My lord?
You are granted with pre-arrest bail.
Yes, I know.
Yes.
That's why I am telling. He was not involved. He just wanted to compromise the parties. Obliged, my lord.
Number 37. This one. Case is here, my lord, case is pending since long, my lord. Petitioner is the owner of the vehicle. There are materials against the petitioner. Otherwise, my lord, case is pending since long. And my lord, vehicle was also handed over to the present petitioner, my lord. Jimma was granted. And petitioner himself has taken Jimma of the vehicle, my lord. Regarding his appearance, my lord, I have not found any note, but otherwise for taking Jimma of the vehicle, he appeared as Jimmadar, and my lord, his signature is there. So my prayer before lordship, my lord.
But
I'm
today also you have not found his
my lord,
statement.
because yes, my lord, but because CD is updated on 1/2/26, my lord, last updation, my lord, and 25/7/2020.
Lordship, IO has handed over the vehicle.
Yes, my lord,
After-
yeah, for taking Jimma, he was there at the.
He was
station.
there and
So, my lord, matter is pending since long. Your lordship may kindly dispose it of.
he has been granted privilege of PRS bill, accordingly cooperated lordship.
And her statement may be recorded that he appeared in court.
Lordship. It's appeared that shows from the Jimanama.
Pardon, Mr. Sundita.
Case is pending since 2024.
Mr. P. Botakotila and additional PP being considered. It's an application, so and so in connection with its prejudice. However, it is submitted by Mr. Bot that it says the CD is not updated one and the statement of the petitioner is not. It's in that context, MS Somdila for the petitioner submitted that after obtaining the order of the spell, the petitioner had already appeared before the IO and he extended his cooperation. More so, the vehicle in question is also gave Jimma to the present petition and for which also he appeared and took Jimma of the vehicle. However, he is still ready and willing to extend his cooperation for the investigation of this case. If he is provided with the privilege of the arrest. Mr. Portapuri Lanet, counsel for the petitioner submitted in this report. The case is pending since long. That is, and the interim was granted to the petitioner on 15/12/2024. And from the materials available in the case that it is seen that the vehicle was given Jimma to the petitioner and for which also he appeared for the IO and took Jimma away. Though his statement is not found available in the case. Considering the consequences of this case, vis-a-vis the submission made by MS regarding his cooperation, and also considering the fact that the vehicle has already been given Jimma to the present petition, we find that custodial intervention may not be necessary for the purpose of investigation. However, the petitioner will extend his cooperation and will appear before the I as and when his cooperation will be. To the office, the order of interim rearrangement, petition, dated so and so, is hereby made with safe terms and conditions.
I'm obliged, deeply obliged.
May please, your lordship.
Yes,
May please, your ladyship. This is a case
not audible.
where a FIR has been registered. Baloj, am I audible?
You are not audible. Mr. Garg, you are not audible.
Baloj, give me a minute, Baloj.
Kanek moi itna koribo itar. These are the problem, practical problem, you know. Now he is going to, I don't know what he is submitting, he is not at all audible.
My lord, rejection order of the trial court, page 29 reflects everything, my lord. 28 to 29. Right.
Page 29.
Page, we start from page 28 from last portion, my lord. Page of 7.
Baloj, am I audible?
You are still not audible. Let it fix in some other day.
Your
You
lordship,
cannot spend more
I
time.
apologize, your lordship. I
understand, your
apologize.
lord,
Sincerely
fact of the
apologize.
matter is that, your lordship, there was a proposal for marriage.
So if you are going to submit, we can hear.
Yes, sir, I'll submit.
Okay.
The crux of the prosecution's case is that there was a proposal for marriage.
Proposal for marriage.
Yes, your lordship. And then your lordship, accordingly, both the families met and rituals were done, invitations were sent out, but ultimately that proposed arrangement did not materialize, your lordship. So the offenses involved in this case are 316 and 318, your lordship, corresponding to 406 and 420, your lordship. Your lordship, there are no materials, nothing in this, no ingredients insofar as 306 is concerned, your lordship. 316 is concerned, your lordship. In regards to 318, your lordship, that is cheating, your lordship. There was intention of marriage, your lordship, but ultimately it did not get materialized. CD may be called for, your lordship.
Why it is not materialized?
Your lordship,
Because invitation was there, everything was there.
your lordship,
Even-
yes, lordship.
And in the last moment, if refuses to marry or he did not respond to anything, then obviously
due to some issues, he had to marry another girl.
another girl.
Right.
So why he gave proper consent for the marriage?
He had
Not to have been
Yes.
given.
He had intention, your lordship.
Huh?
He had intention
He
initially.
had the intention to marry, but subsequently on the very last date, he married another girl.
Yes, your
How,
lordship.
I mean, why
Ultimately, it
and
fall
how?
apart. The arrangement fall apart, your lordship.
Arrangement?
The arrangement of the marriage fall apart, your lordship. The proposed arrangement of the marriage
Ah.
between both the parties that
Ah.
fall apart.
Ah.
It cannot be given criminal color, your lordship. CD may be called for, your lordship.
Criminal color will come later on, but the question is that giving a moral marriage proposal, everything was there, and the very last moment, he did not marry.
Yes, your lord.
So I cannot say at this stage whether the ingredients of cheating will be applicable here or not. But the question is that overall, if you prima facie you see, maybe a case of cheating. Otherwise, anyway, we call for the case diary. Okay.
Yes.
So
If I may, your lordship, I
Ah.
may be protected till CD arrives, your lordship.
yes, Botakur, what do you want to say?
Well, otherwise it seems that at the last moment, otherwise suddenly he also found one another woman, well, already ready for him.
Very
to
last
marry.
moment, how can
Because-
he find another one?
Not a very last moment, your lordship, that his new wife, he had a prior relationship with her, and the informant already knew about her. That comes another part. These are another part of the matter, your lordship. But ultimately, the informant knew that woman
Where is the
beforehand.
FIR? FIR is that page?
Page number 20, your lordship.
Correspondence, she was the bride,
She was the initial bridegroom.
whatever.
The proposal was given.
Yes, he married another woman.
Yes, sir. But that woman, she already had prior knowledge of that woman. So here in the affair, she just,
Everything that on the day of our marriage, I'll marry her. Is it?
but ultimately the marriage fall apart, your lordship. The
No,
proposal,
whatever you told her that on the day of marriage, I won't marry
there
you
were
and I'll marry
there
her.
were some disagreements, your lordship.
Huh?
There were some disagreements between the families. Those materials are available, your lordship. So the CD may be called for, your lordship.
You are Mr.
N.K. Sharma.
N.K. Sharma. Your name is not here.
No way.
Appearing on behalf of Mr. Garg.
Yes.
Heard Mr. N.K. Sharma, the learned counsel appearing on behalf of Mr. C. Garg, the learned counsel for the petition. Also heard Mr. P. Botford, the learned petition appearing on Mr. Respondent. This is an application so in connection with US. It is submitted by Mr. Sharma that from the plain reading of the FI, the statement plain reading of the FI, it's seen that it does not disclose it does not disclose a case against the present petitioner under section 106, no? 316, no?
316 and 318.
316 and 3162 and 3184 of a BNS. However, the petitioner is ready and willing to extend his cooperation in the further investigation of this case if he is granted with some interpretation. Next one, Mr. Sharma, the learned edition PP submitted in, Mr. Portco, the learned edition PP submitted in this regard that the city may be called for to know the actual fact of the case. And from the rejection order passed by the learned trial court, will also it is seen that there are sufficient materials against the present petition for rejection of his bail application. Next, considering submission made by materials in the statement made in the FIR and submission made by the counsel for the petition. This board was the opinion that an interim protection may be provided to the petitioner till each time. Okay, will be under interim protection.
Yes. Matul.
On my
Your
lord,
lordship, can you maybe fix it on 24th, your lordship? 25th, 4th or 25th, your lordship?
24th of April.
24th of April.
Matul.
কি কৰিম বুলি শুনাই না এইবিলাক বিকাতিৰ কাৰণেতো প্ৰব্লেম হৈ যায় মেবি আমাৰ পাৰ্টৰ পৰা ওপৰে তেওঁলোকৰ পাৰ্টৰ পৰা ওপৰে এইবিলাক কি হয় মানে
Please, Lordship.
yes
Petitioner advocate is in Dr. Samba, Lordship.
Huh?
S. Ahmed is in Dr. Samba, petitioner advocate. This may be taken at 2 p.m. Lordship.
Some other day, my lord.
other day no not to why for his own any problem or own health issues or
He's in he's suffering from fever, Lordship.
his own health issues
Yes, yes.
then
only.
better to take adjournment to
Yes.
submission made by counsel. We submitted that as Ahmed is suffering from fever. It matter be fixed the matter. You want any fixed date here? After 2 weeks we'll do or fixed date?
Yes. 2nd of April. ma'am.
2nd of April.
Lordship.
Yes.
Obliged, Lordship.
Yes.
May I please refer?
Yes,
Lordship, in this matter, this year has been called for.
this year.
Yes.
CD received, my lord. Investigation is going on, my lord. FIR,
Yeah, TCR or I don't know whether TCR or yes.
item number 10.
Huh?
10, my lord, investigation is going on. FIR
Investigation
registered
is
only
going
on
on.
21/1/26. CD received, I have received. Criminal petition 221.
They're paying for quashing of FIR.
Yes, causing. FIR registered only on, my lord, 21/1/26.
Investigation is still going on.
Still going on.
So whatever we have received the case diary.
Yes, the case they received.
And we have received the case diary.
Yes.
Are you ready for argument?
My lord, can you fix for another day? As my senior is not present.
Or you have
I'm
submitted
not well versed with the case.
another date?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you will be able to retain the case diary?
I will have to return back the CD, my lord, again. Your lordship may fix it on second week of April or any other after 2 weeks from now.
You are Mr.
Chumben can.
Regarding TCR, my lord, that may be corrected because
Parts against the Islamic Council for Investigation. Mr. Pivot, being on the case diary has already been received, but it is submitted by the Learned Council for the petitioner so and so that the NPS Council Mr. Rafi has some personal difficulty today to argue with case. In view of this, let the CD be returned, calling an updated one. You can
on my lord, last part of April, on 29th of April. Because case is,
no stay, I think investigation is still going on.
yes, my case is registered only on my lord, in the month of January 21. My lord. So
29th of April
29. Till then, my lord, probably investigation will also be
will progress on
progress. My
29. Are you on the bail? Otherwise, you have come for quashing of the FIR. Case is
Yes.
not yet charged sheeted.
Yes, I'm on
I'm just
interim.
asking, are you on bail?
Yes, madam.
You are on bail.
Yes.
Okay. We're listing it on 29/4, calling updated one.
My please, your lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, according to the last order 13/3/2026, they have received the notice. So lordship may fix after 2 weeks.
Hmm? Hmm?
According to the last order of his
Yes.
order, the notice have been received through OC. So lordship may fix after 2 weeks.
But you have not taken steps. Now you have taken steps or what?
Yes, lordship.
You have taken.
Yes, yes, taken. And the concerned OC have received the notice, lordship.
You have taken it to officials from the
Yes.
concerned police.
Yes.
Concerned OC has already received.
Yes, lordship.
Okay, then we can have it for
Mile.
next.
Lordship, interim order may continue.
Yes. Yes. You are MS?
HK Sumi.
নাম তো নাই নেকি ইয়াত? নামটো সুধি ল'বা। HK You are appealing for someone?
For H. Chakrabarti, lordship.
From?
For H.
H. Chakrabarti.
Yes, lordship.
It's not dated 20/02/2026. It is seen that notice has already been issued to the respondent number, and it is also submitted by counsel for the petitioner. That case, the notice has already been received by concern OC of the concerned station. In view of this, let the service be awaited till next date of listings. Interim be continued. Interim be continued. list on 24, 22/4. Okay, we're listing it on 22/4. Let the service be awaited till next. Your interim is extended.
May I please, your lordship? My lord, in this case, we have filed the appeal along with IA, that is IA criminal number 850/24. Now, lordship, there is a punishment of 5 years. 4 years under section 8 of POCSO Act and 5 years under section 354 IPC. Now, my lord, we have this appellant is in the custody since last 591 days. The judgment was passed on 3/8/24. And my lord, prior to that, when he was arrested, he was in jail for 1 month. So including that period, it becomes 591 days. My lord, so far merit of the case is concerned, my lord, there are sufficient contradictions among the prosecution witnesses. Those I shall argue at appropriate time. But at present, my lord, my submission is this: sentence is of 5 years. That is a specific period, particular period. My lord, lordship may kindly see one Kiran Kumar's case, my lord, where there was 7 years imprisonment. On that ground, the bail was granted, that was under section 376. Bail was granted after some period, and it was observed by the Honorable Court. Lordship may kindly see the appellant is convicted under section 460, 376, 325, 506 of the Indian Penal Code. The maximum sentence imposed on him is imprisonment for a period of 7 years on the second count. He filed appeal and that is pending, but during the pendency of the appeal,
The order dated 18/2026, it reveals that the service is already completed on respond number 2, but till date no one has represented respond number. Is it a POCSO?
POCSO,
Is
but
that-
POCSO is, my lord.
Oh,
Yes.
POCSO is there.
Then
POCSO is there.
amicus curiae is required, my lord.
Oh,
It
that
is
too,
my
amicus
lord.
will be required.
Lordship.
But in view of this, let an amicus be appointed to represent the respondent number 2. Alia is announced. A. Burpa. That the amicus be appointed accordingly. Mr. Arindam Burpa be appointed as an amicus. Irresistible duty needful in intimating him and supplying the relevant copies. List the matter in admission column.
On 31st, Lordship. 31st of March, Lordship.
31st. Okay, we're listing it on 31st.
Lordship. Oblige, Lordship.
May I please, Your Honor?
Yes, what is the position of this 31?
Well, a service is
31.
separated, POCSO is
My
there.
lord, 31, my lord. As per office code, my lord, 13/3, my lord.
13/3.
13/3, my lord. Service report, neither ID card nor
Is awaited.
His record has been received.
It is already received.
and we have also received the case there also.
Case diary is also received.
Available here.
Then what to do? Case diary, if it is
My lord, I have not gone to the skin copy whether it is.
TDS, খুব বুঝিবা। আমি কি একটা ভুল করি আর
Orders may be there, my lord, but otherwise it is investigation not yet completed, my lord.
yes. Near much. Very good. No one second. Scan copy of
My lord,
case
may
diary
I,
or
this
scan
like
copy of the case diary. The investigation is still going. TCR. TCR is কি করুন? তার তো একটু নাই। কোনায়? It is case is still under investigation.
In this year, my lord, CD is here, my lord. And CD is also given us to 12-3, my
CD, you have received the CD.
my lord.
my lord, since POXO is there, my lord may fix it on 30th of this month, your lordship. By then, maybe the ID card will status of the ID card will be.
But till then, you are going to retain the case diary, Sharma, or what?
No, this is a scan.
No, it's a some.
My lord.
But
I mean, in order passing the order, there's the inadvertent mistake is there. That's why
My lord.
scan copy. But otherwise, you have called for the case diary. You have received.
My lord.
So you are going to retain till 30th of March or
My
what? Huh? Can it be
My lord. 30,
30?
my lord.
RMS SHGR Legal Counsel petition. The office note and also heard Mr. Beach from office note dated 13/3/2026. It is said that the service is still awaited for the response. However, it is submitted by Mr. Sharma that case diary has already been received, wherein the last entry was of 12/3/2026. In view of this, let the CDB retain till next date of listing. Service for the respond number 2 also be awaited till next date. Please the matter accordingly on 30/03/2026. Okay, we're listing it on 30.
public.
May I please, your lordship? There's two ayes, my lord. I has been filed for suspension of sentence and bail during the pendency of the mail appeal petition, my lord. My lord, the applicant has been two appellant, an applicant, my lord. Section 4, under section 4, POCSO Act for 10 years, and section 313,
You have not taken steps.
my lord.
You have not taken any steps.
Only taken steps and taken, my lord.
But as per the office note dated 17/2/2026.
Respondent side is also present, my think, my lord.
Pardon?
Respondent side is also
Oh, you have
present.
already appeared. Oh, why it is there? That question they keep. Not been received. This is what also report 9. It had already appeared. Good. Okay, then if he has already appeared, na?
Yeah, my lord. My lord, my respectful submission
So
before
you are
lordship.
going to argue the case, Mr. Sharma, today? You have appeared, you have filed a Kartama and all. Okay. So I
I am, my lord.
bail. Most.
Bail, my lord. Fire, yes. My respectful sub. May I please, your lordship?
You are on PW 9.
PW 9, my lord. PW 9 is the investigating officer, my lord. I just take your lordship, the cross part, relevant part of the PW 9, my lord. This is page 71, my lord. Cross part, my lord. In the Ejahar, my lord, no date of occurrence has been mentioned. After about 1.5 months of the alleged incident, the Ejahar was lost and no any explanation was given in the Ejahar regarding the delay in lodging claim. One school certificate of the victim was collected by me from headmaster, but I have not cited the headmaster of the school as witness in the search sheet. Kindly to take note of this fact, my lord. I have not cited the headmaster of the school as witness. And it is also apparent, my lord, from the imputed judgment that no school certificate, no birth certificate has been so far collected and fined by the Honorable Court, special judge,
No,
in the judgment.
But any birth certificate was exhibited?
No, nothing has been exhibited, my lord. It is apparent, my lord. I kindly say the judgment, imputed judgment itself is reflected in para 30 and 31. There is a foundational factor, my lord. The section 29 may be attract if the foundational facts has been established first by the prosecution, my lord. Section 29 of the POCSO Act, my lord. In page para 31 of the imputed judgment, it is stated that, my lord, in the case at hand, no school certificate or birth certificate of the victim girl has been produced or exhibited.
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, this is an anticipated bail application, your lordship. FIR is at page number 18, your lordship. 1A.
Yes.
Page number 18, your lordship, is the FIR, your lordship. As far as the subject side, I would like to report that as per the complaint petition submitted by public, namely Zahid Ahmed Borboia, Kamrul Islam Borboia, and Farijuddin Lashkar, alleging that their road had been blocked by erecting iron pillars by the accused Nazrul Hussain Borboia, Ruhul Amin Borboia, and Nur Ahmed Borboia, and the said petition was enclosed to me by the officer in charge of Algaur Police Station for inquiry. Accordingly, at 3:40 p.m., I, along with my accompanying staff, so and so, proceeded to the place of occurrence, that is Kapnarpar. Upon reaching the spot, I noticed two iron pillars erected on the both sides of the road, which is used by the complainants. Thereafter, I initiated an inquiry and questioned the FIR name accused Ruhul Amin Borbuya, who was found near the place of occurrence, regarding the erection of the iron pillars. Instead of cooperating with the lawful inquiry, the accused person Nazrul Hussain Borbuya, Ruhul Amin Borbuya, and Jahida Begum Borbuya Pappi obstructed me for discharging my official duties, abused me using filthy languages, slang languages, physically assaulted me, and pushed me towards the ground. Furthermore, the accused Zahida Begum Borbuya at Bappi tore my shirt from the backside, and accused Nazrul Hussain Borbuya attempted to attack me with a spade. However, my accompanying staff intervened in time and saved me from further harm. During the course of assault, my uniform shirt was torn and I sustained injury on my person. Therefore, I respectfully, Lordship, this is the allegation. Informant is the sub-inspector of police here, Lordship. Only thing is, Lordship, in the body of the FIR, your Lordship, no date is mentioned as to when, and Lordship, as to when the petition was submitted, that iron pillar was erected in the land, your Lordship. That is also not mentioned in the Lordship. Being the informant is a sub-inspector of police. Lordship, in this regard, may peruse paragraph number 8, your Lordship, page number 6 of my petition. Your. Without any authority, they went there, your Lordship. Page 6, your Lordship. Para 8, page 6, your Lordship. Only first two para A and B, your Lordship. And para 7, para F, your Lordship. Subpara F. Page 7, subpara F, your Lordship.
I cannot read all these things now. What is the basic case? We are not going to these things, discuss all this.
Only thing is, your
Yes, that you see now a
Hey,
police
Basant.
officer or a
Yes, Lordship.
officer.
But why they went there, your Lordship? Without a, why they went there, your Lordship? No complaint, your Lordship. Instead, they bring an affair against me, your Lordship. I did not brought certain other allegations, your Lordship, that I can't because I cannot establish, your Lordship. Some political persons send them, your Lordship, and forcefully they try to, with bulldozer, your Lordship, erect the clear the obstructions, your Lordship. Maybe there may be some obstruction or may not be some obstruction, your Lordship. There are some other legal resorts are there, your Lordship. If suppose 133 of CRPC or 152 of BNSS, your Lordship. Here, your Lordship, police without any lawful authority went there, your Lordship, and tried to facilitate the persons. They are the uncles, your Lordship, to destruct the iron pillars erected therein in their own landed property. Instead of, your Lordship, just to save themselves, police lost the instant affair. There are 4 other police personnel, your Lordship, going by the affair itself, your Lordship. None was harmed. Only the informant. Why, your Lordship?
None was found.
There are other police personnel
They-
there, your lordship.
They not assault, most probably they assaulted him only.
Yes, lordship. If at all, your lordship, an attack over the police personnel, your lordship, as has been alleged, your lordship, then other police person would have been attacked, your lordship. Only because he himself went there as a stooge, your lordship, of local politicians that I have narrated, your lordship. And on one more thing, your lordship, no scissor list was there, your lordship. And lordship, may kindly see annexure 2, that it is number 1. Is 40% disabled, your lordship, disability certificate, your lordship. An allegation has been made that this kind of person has attacked, your lordship. And annexure page number 21 is the birth certificate of the petition number 1.
These are
Is it
come now.
These are his submissions. One hand he.
Lordship, I have annexed, dear lordship.
One hand he submitted that police went there without any authority, no complaint, but here in paragraph 8 of the, my lord, paragraph B, he submitted that there are complaints filed by some, also named that these people.
No, going by the FIR, bare perusal of the FIR, your
The
lordship.
case is that police went there to inquire about the submitter, and they are on that point, that time, my lord, these accused persons, also the police person also told is the subject matter of this.
Bare perusal of the FIR, I am not admitting, I am stated that bare perusal of the FIR, it appears that police went there on the basis of the complaint petition. No mention as to when that was lodged, whether any GD&T was made, on which date and what time, your lordship. Nothing.
Okay, we call for the case.
Lordship, I may protect because police must, lordship, is a woman, your lordship.
And he could not go and will be arrested during these days. Yes, we're giving a short.
Lordship, kindly protect us, your lordship, because police person is behind the
We
petitioner,
expecting
your
a
lordship.
petition, you as a police person and torn his uniform and all, very bad thing. Let us see, let us pay to take his direct.
Apply this.
May it please your lordship, I'm for the petitioner. I am
32.
I'm for the petitioner.
Yes, in item number 32.
32.
Yes.
We are the newly engaged counsel, and we will file wakalatnama tomorrow. We have not filed till now. The clients are coming today, and we have not got single papers, so we need time to apply for and obtain the copies and prepare the case.
Two name is reflected here. One is Mr. S. Day and one is Mr. P. Sen.
They are the previous counsel.
Now who are you are your good name?
This Meghali Bhuya, M. Bhuya.
I'm happy submitted that the very old pending case wherein the petitioner has newly engaged her in the case, and till date they have not received any single paper for preparation of the case, as the other the other council, the earlier council's name which has been mentioned in the cause has not conducted the case at present. You have filed your wakalatnama?
Yeah,
Wakalatnama you have filed?
no, we will file tomorrow.
Further submitted that she is going to file this week, and accordingly needs some for the discuss. Mr. Board, the non-education PP, please. After 2 weeks, we'll do. After 2 weeks,
Obliged
2
to.
weeks as an date.
May it please your lordship. The accused petitioner, your lordship, is convicted and sentenced under 376, 420, and 506. I'm sentenced for a period of 80 years, 8 years, and for 422 years and 506, 6 years.
Now, the case is otherwise ready for hearing, I think.
Yes, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I am behind
So
bars for
same-
the last 6 years, Your Lordship.
6 years.
Around
Oh, then
Conviction is of 8 years.
8
he
years.
has already 6 years.
6 years. No, sorry, Your Lordship, not 6 years, 4 years, 3 months, 7 weeks.
4 years, 3 months.
4 years. More than 4 years.
Is what I could, but
Sorry, Your Lordship, I'm extremely sorry, it's 5 years.
5 years. He is behind the bar for 5 years.
Right. Around.
Already half or more than 5 years.
But Your Lordship, in this case, if Your Lordship may kindly allow me to submit. The case, Your Lordship, is that there is a consensual relationship in my full submission. Because Your Lordship, although the PW2, if Your Lordship may kindly peruse PW2 for a moment. Time to listen exactly the number. PW2 for a moment. There is a paper book, Your Lordship. May I read, Your Lordship?
Yeah, that is.
Man, do not say the paper book, but if it is a-
You're saying paper book is here?
There is a paper book, Your Lordship. I've been provided with a paper book. There is a paper book, Your Lordship.
Yes, 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 we have.
PW2, Your Lordship. May I read, Your Lordship? PW2 has
Yes.
your lord got it.
Yes, PW.
The incident took place about 1.5 years ago. I lost the Azahar with the PS. As I fell sick, my father took me to a quack as per the advice of some people. Now, this quack is the accused petitioner, Your Lordship. My father was told that he would have to be kept in the house of the quack, and accordingly, I was left in